All right, here we are. Here we are on circle number 2. We need to find our circumference. We have a radius of 11 inches. We know it's a radius because the line goes from the middle of the circle to the outer edge of the circle. That's a radius. So I need to use my circumference equals 2. I go up to insert, go down to special characters, go over here, click by the magnifying glass, type in pi, click on the pi symbol, click out of it, 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference equals 2 times my pi is 3.14 times my r, which is my radius, which is 11. I then need to just solve for that. So circumference equals, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solve for that. 2 times 3.14 times 11 equals 69.08. Go down here, 69.08. I'm going to move that up, but not too much so I can't see my work. There we go. I am now going to go into area. I have a radius again from the middle to the outer edge. That line, that's my radius. So area equals, let's go back up to insert, special characters. Go up, click by here, type in pi, click on pi, click out, pi, r, and then I need to go up to format, text, superscript, squared. To get out of it, I go to format, text, go back to superscript, it gets me out, and that helps me get out of that. So now I type in what I know. Area equals pi, which is 3.14, times radius 11 times radius again because it's squared. So we times it by itself. That's why we're doing 11 times 11, because that's 11 squared is 11 times 11. So 3.14 times 11 gives me area equals 379.94. Do we have 379.94? We do. We're going to bring that over. Try not to cover up your work because you want me to be able to see your work. That way I can see that you got these answers correct. Do not just move these answers into these boxes here and say, I did it. Don't say I did it on a separate sheet of paper. You can do exactly what I'm doing. Whoops, I messed up. See, I can catch my own mistakes. You can do exactly what I am doing and you can type it in these little boxes just as I have typed it. And that way I can see your work. I can see you got the answers and then we can move forward. Again, do not just give me these answers in these boxes. If you do that, it will be marked incorrect. Don't tell me you did it on a separate sheet of paper unless you take a picture of that paper and you email it to me so I can see your work. If you're not willing to do any of that, you need to show your work and type it in these boxes as I have done for you as an example.